Do you have a ton of devices and don't have anything to plug them into? Check this out. My name is Mario and I do mobile tech accessory reviews so you don't have to. Alright, this is part 2. What we're going to do is we're going to plug in as many devices as we can. Let's go. Stay tuned till the end of the video to find out how you can win this charger. Alright, I tried really hard to find as many devices as I could. I got maybe 6. I even had some camera batteries in it. Alright, so I hooked up about 6 devices on here. Headphones, iPad Pro, my Apple Watch, my AirPod Pros, and camera battery to it, and it is rocking like a champ. If you need something that's going to charge up all your devices at once, this is the way to go. Guys, if you like this product, go check them out at Naztech.com. Use coupon code MMTR25 to get 25% off your purchase. So how do you win this beautiful charger? Guess what? All you gotta do is like, follow, share this with your friends, tag 2 people, comment done, and when we get to 1,000 followers, we're gonna do a live event. Let's go. Also, we're gonna be giving away more products. So any of the products you see this week are gonna be given away once we hit 1,000 followers. Let's go. All right, guys, stay tuned for part 3 for my final thoughts. Don't forget, guys, to like and follow for more.